In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do auto reset depending cells in Excel. We're going to set up a simple behavior in Excel so that whenever the value in one cell changes, a related cell clears automatically. In this example, when you change the ID type, the ID number cell will reset so you can enter the correct number for that selection. This is especially helpful when you want to avoid mistakes caused by leaving old data in place. To begin, open your Excel workbook and go to the Auto Reset tab. On this sheet, you should see a basic setup with two fields, ID type and ID number. The idea here is straightforward. Since the ID number depends on the ID type you choose, it makes sense to clear the number whenever the type changes. That way, the worksheet stays accurate and easier to use. Next, right-click the Auto Reset Sheet tab at the bottom of Excel and choose View Code. This opens the Visual Basic editor directly for that specific worksheet. If you've never used this area before, don't worry, you don't need to build anything complex here. You're just placing a small worksheet event script into the correct location so Excel can respond automatically when a change happens on that sheet. Once the code window is open, paste in the code shown on your screen. Make sure you place it in the worksheet code area for the Auto Reset tab, not in a standard module, because this behavior is meant to run only when changes are made on that particular sheet. After pasting the code, save your workbook. You can also press Alt and F11 to switch in and out of the Visual Basic editor if needed. If your workbook uses macros, remember that you may need to save it in a macro-enabled format so the automation continues to work properly. Now, go back to your Excel sheet and test it. Change the ID type field and you should see that the cell in column B resets automatically. This allows you to enter a fresh ID number that matches the newly selected type. It's a small adjustment, but it can make a big difference in reducing data entry errors and keeping forms cleaner. If it doesn't work right away, double check that the code was pasted into the correct worksheet and that macros are enabled in Excel. Those are the two most common things to review. That's it. You now have an Excel sheet that automatically clears a dependent cell whenever the related value changes, making your workbook more dynamic and reliable. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.